If you're looking for pocket watches, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 display case pocket watches. Number 1, most popular, by Caddy collection. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by new brand Mall. Number 3. For more details about this great display case pocket watches, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, by Lancardo. Find these pocket watches at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by Zeiger. Number 7, by I-mart. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Caddy. Number 9, by Regent Hills. Discover more pocket watches ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10, by Charles-hubert, Paris.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.